Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your identity on Apple Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply have to first open up your settings app and go to search bar and type in wallet, and now tap on this option of wallet and Apple Pay. And then from over here you're simply going to find this kind of interface and your payment cards as well. Go ahead, tap on the option of Apple Pay Cash. Now once you have done that, you're going to find your card details on top. In the bottom section, as highlighted, you're going to find this option of verify identity. Go ahead, simply tap on it. Now you can see verify identity. Simply provide your first name, last name, and tap on next on top right. Then again, simply provide your street name, your other street. It's an optional if you have details of it, and then provide your zip code as well. Now again, tap on next on top right. Now go ahead, enter the SSN, your last 4 digits of your security number. Go ahead, provide that number, and then add in your date of birth as well. And once you have done that, tap on this next on top right corner. That will be it for you to provide information for you to verify on Apple Cash, and you will be done. You simply have to tap on OK, and you can go back to your home screen and you can do whatever you would like, and that is it for identification. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.